Want to know how to make your makeup last
from AM to PM,
or make it last
day and night?
So keep watching to find out. Hey guys, my name is Kristen. I do travel, lifestyle, and beauty videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me as I explore the world and try new things. So today I will teach you guys how to make your makeup last long. But first, let me take out all this makeup. Woo! So, this is me with no makeup on. All natural.
this is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now.
Disclaimer, I am no Jeffree Star, nor am I a professional makeup artist. So I learned how to do these tricks through the years, from experience, from observing makeup artists, and also Sephora employees taught me a little bit on how to do my makeup. So to prevent my face from getting oily, I start by applying aloe vera gel all over my face. The one I use specifically is by Nature Republic. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Don't put too much on your forehead because it might get in your eye and you might end up doing this in the middle of the day. That happened to me a couple of times. Fun fact, you guys can actually use this aloe vera gel also on your chest, on your back, on your hair. Face is still wet, so I'm gonna dry it with my little fan over here. Let it go, let it go. Just to let you guys know, I experimented with a lot of products so I know which ones are the best. The most long-lasting primer is the Smashbox Photo Finish. Okay, this is brand new as you can see. For applying foundation and for my primer, I prefer to use the Silly Sponge. I'm sure you guys know this is the best because you end up using less product and it will make you save more money. I'm gonna put it around my cheeks, my chin, spread it on my chin. Need some more. Now on my other cheek, spreading it all over. Then last, the eyes and the nose. Now, I don't do those crazy fountain looking concealers on my face, nor do I bake powders on my face. I just use my color correcting concealers by NYX. Normally I use the green one for my acne and also my yellow for my dark spots. So I'm gonna go use the yellow one now because my acne kind of turned a bit dark. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Next, I apply my foundation and I use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. So guys, just to let you know, there was a time when I applied my foundation 30 minutes after I applied my primer and my makeup ended up looking cakey. So you have to apply foundation right away once you've applied primer. So this is my favorite foundation because it works well with combination dry and oily skin. Just another pump for the left side of my face. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. I also heard that the Fenty foundation is really good. I have not tried it yet, but maybe I will soon. This is my first time ever applying makeup in front of the camera. I'm quite conscious. Some of the foundation actually went on my hair, but oh well, papel. Okay, I think I'm good with the foundation. Now I'll be applying my powder. So for powder, I use the Innisfree No Sebum. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Blur Pact or the Blur Powder. Like I said in my $1,000 makeup haul video, I would compare this to the Laura Mercier loose powder because it's a drugstore product which feels like a luxury product. Boop, boop, boop. So now that I've finished with the primer, foundation, and the powder, I now do my eyes. So to make your eyeshadow last long, these two products really help me so well. I either use the highlighter Beam Base by the Faceshop or the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Them on my lids. Next, I put my highlighter base. So I also use this on my eyes. For today, I just want to do the Urban Decay. So put this on my nose and on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna blend them again with the Silly Sponge. So when I blend the liquid highlighter by the Faceshop, I just blend it down, make it go down to my Cupid's bow like this. I don't have the best brows in the world, so I don't really want to spend much. So now I will draw in my brows with my eyebrow pencil by Etude House, which is a Korean brand. This is just like 100 something pesos. It's so affordable. So when you open it, you have the pencil, and the other side has the brush. So now I'm gonna be drawing in my eyebrows. Whew, I'm done. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So for today's eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsession with my domed Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. I'm already warning you guys, I am not the best with eyeshadows, but Huda Beauty makes me look like I'm a professional makeup artist. I normally just put light, and then medium, and then the dark colors, while other people go crazy and they go like this. Put them on your crease. Always, always, always go for a smoky look. So if I'm not using this, I'm using another palette, then I always have like black in the end. So the Huda Beauty consists of 9 colors. And for my base, I'm going to be using the lightest color one over here before applying the other colors. I also would recommend Huda Beauty for long wear because I used all the brands and this is the most pigmented and the most long-lasting one. Do you guys see that pigment? Woo! My eyebrows. I rarely do matte eyeshadow colors. I would prefer my shadows to be sparkly, glittery, or shiny. Now that I've applied the base eyeshadow, I now add in the silver. It's magical. So we got the silver on. Now I'm going to be applying the dark one at the end. It's so pigmented. This is only brown. Imagine if you apply the black. With Huda Beauty, you gotta do it little by little because it's super pigmented, and if you make a mistake, you are screwed. I feel like I do my makeup way better when I have no camera on. I feel so conscious right now. Honestly, guys, eyeshadow is not my specialty, so I feel so judged right now. And then I apply the darkest shade at the end. Just like this, stretch your eyes. So now that I'm done with applying the 3 colors, I'm now going to use the color over here and put it on top of the silver to make it blend a little bit better since I kind of screwed up. Whoosh. Done! Make sure you wet your eyeshadow brush just a little bit before applying the eyeshadow. So my favorite long-wearing eyeliner is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. So now that I'm done applying my crayon eyeliner, I now proceed by applying the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. My eyes can now fly because they have wings. Now that I'm done doing the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, I'm gonna wait for these to dry. Then I will apply the mascara after I contour and everything else. I don't really like doing a lot of contour on my face because my fiance said it looks like I've got bruises on my face when I contour my face, so I just stick with blush. For the first layer of the blush, I use the Super BB Instaread by Physicians Formula. There's a highlighter on the top and we got the blush at the bottom, and I just swipe it like this. After doing that, you blend it in. I actually have a separate beauty blender just for blush. So now it's time to contour my face. So I use the foundation brush for my highlighter and I contour my face using Shade and Light from Kat Von D. I will now use the middle shade for my nose to highlight it like this. Next, I'm gonna put them over my eyes and on my cupid's bow like this. And then for the cheeks, I'm going to be using my Sigma band brush to highlight. Space, do like that. Do it like this. Do it again. Like that. Like that. Just put as much layers as you can. You want this to last long. Now that I'm done applying the highlighter base, I'm going to be contouring my nose with the middle shade. I am using a Eco Tools contour brush. From way up here like this and you go down like that. Stretch your nose like this. Yeah. That's how I contour my nose. After contouring my nose, I use the same shade. So I apply it on my cheek using this Forever 21 powder brush. This isn't the right brush to contour your face, but that's how I do my makeup. Now let's blend the contour. Like this. On the side. Get rid of that double chin. So you guys already saw that I use 3 highlighters before applying my main highlighter, and I use the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone, and it always breaks, but it's the best highlighter in that. Oh, apply it on top of my eyeshadow, then my cupid's bow. Becca is the most pigmented highlighter ever. I haven't tried Fenty. I heard it was good as well. There you go. I'll apply some more one more time. Now to finish off the face, I'll be using the Real Techniques Multitask Brush with my Too Faced Sweethearts Blush.
Her type out all night.
Keep putting it. If it's not seen in the camera, it's not gonna last long. Done with half of my face. Now I'm going to be applying my mascara with my Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybeline. The mascara brush is angled to make it easier to bring up your lashes. So now that I'm done with almost everything, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Lip Primer. This nude primer shade makes it easier to apply any color you want. Using Nyx Lip Liner make my liquid lipsticks last a lot longer than using Kylie ones. Then drawing them in like that. There you go. Now I'm going to be applying my liquid lipstick, and today I'll be using one of the Kylie liquid lipsticks in the shade Kristen. For me, this specific shade lasts the longest when worn with NYX lip liners. So next I'm going to be using the NYX Matte FInish setting spray. Aim for the eye, Pact, left cheek, lips, fan it like this so it can dry. The next layer is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Eyes, cheeks, cheek. Now that I'm done with almost everything, I'm going to finish the look with my lashes. Just put in my lashes and there you go! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next week.